ko. Dito kami naliligo. Ayan. Pakita mo yung tubig na pinapaliguan namin. Ayan ang tubig na pinapaliguan namin. There. I wash and get this and goes like this. Yeah, now. That. There was an old car wash.
Hindi kita yung bunurok dahil. 3, go.
Mommy, this is your favorite place. A zoo. Family, there was so many monkeys, horse, goats. There's so many.
How about that?
A caterpillar. A really big caterpillar.
How about you?
Huh?
How
I'm a human. Hello, alien there.
Human ka pala kakagago.
If you saw me, aliens came to visit my hometown. In my, comfort room.
Tapos na muna.
Yeah, look at that. Oh, huwag ka magtakit na mukha, oh. Ayan, a horse.
Si Shy.
The horse is shy. Why? Because she's dirty. Yan. Oh, horse.
Kuha ba?
And there, look at that. This is our Yaya. Say hi, Yaya. Fuck you. Wala kang sahod sa akin bukas. Look at this. Huwag kang dadaan sa lubak-lubak na daan at baka ikaw